We're about to head out to IKEA to do some nursery shopping. There's a specific storage cabinet that we saw online that we're interested in that we're probably gonna pick that out today and see also what they have to offer and if their prices are worth like comparing with the quality of their products. So come with us. And if this is your first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I hope you can join me on this little adventure.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So something similar to this that we're looking for, but definitely smaller. Um, yeah, that one is too big. Let's keep going.
On top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, I think we found them, or maybe not, but it's something similar to this, but with 8 count, and it also brings like doors and stuff. So we're gonna keep digging around. So it's very similar to this one. This is the color that I want, but includes like doors and gap and what else? And drawers at the bottom that you can install. So we're gonna try to find it now. So look at this picture. Details in gold. He's stone that splash. Like, I would probably prefer another color for the countertop, but this is gorgeous. I love warm colors. Okay, so we're at the dressers now. I don't like this. There's one like similar to this one. That is the one that I like. I like it.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
My idea is to have a dresser that we can probably use as a changing station as well. So I want something a little bit taller. I'm gonna try to see if there's more options. Obviously, we will skip like the glass stuff, but I like this. I think we'll be able to fit all like baby clothes or stuff. And we could change the knob just like that. That all look. Está más cómodo también, pero like you buy the janky pack and buy for caddy. the mirror on the back, things to play around with, the wall. I like this. This one is cute.
So $8.
This one is 500. Very good options, IKEA. And that one is like pretty similar to this.
What's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So if you're looking for a changing table, they do have is optional for $279. But I think I actually prefer an actual dresser that I can turn into a changing table.
Dangerous times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep them down in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight.
This crib is just what? Oh, it's 300. I was like, it's just 79? No, 79 is just the mattress for the crib. And 15 is the sheet that has to fit. Look. It was all cute too. Well, you will have to install down that thing in the bottom.
Cool.
A good selection of drugs. Yes. But it looks very Valentine's Day, so I'm not sure. That one is $50. So the nursery area is not what I expected to be. There's a bunch of like toys and things you can use in a kids or baby's bedroom. First, like there's not many options. So for example, the dresser and maybe other things that you might wants to use in the room, you may find it around IKEA, not necessarily like in the nursery area. Okay, so keep that in mind. You probably will have to walk around the whole store to find all the things like I did. So let me show you the cribs that they have available. This one, is $2.99. Pretty sturdy, I'll say. Compared to this one, well, they're all sturdy actually. But they're just like basic cribs. This one is, oh, 200. This one is on sale right now. That one is on sale.
I'll find you.
200. This one is really pretty, I'll say. And it has a $379 price. It doesn't look like that basic like the other one. And this is another changing table. Oh, this one is only $99. It's on sales as well. That's a good price for that. And this is the other one. Oh, this one is only $40. That one is not bad, babe. Yep. No. I wouldn't trust this one. But I like the color of this crib though. 119. But this one is not that sturdy like the other ones. So yeah, I think probably that's the price. And like this design because it has that cream beige color as well with the white. This one is $2.99. Like it brings also like a changing table, and this changing tables is 200, like almost like the price of the crib. That doesn't make sense to me, but the material is definitely stronger and pretty sturdy. And this is the other option. I don't think there's more options beside these ones. And this changing table is $149. Pretty sturdy as well. And then this grip, it's $249. They have really good options, but they're like pretty basic. So they have a good option of like wooden toys, which is good because I love wooden toys. I think they're like Montessori education inspired, so kids can create on their own or play on their own. So it's really, really cool. And then things like for potty training, for the baby to eat. They have some chairs. Let me put it back. There you go. They have some chairs. Well, they actually only these two will count because this will be more like a toddler thing or kids, because I wouldn't trust a toddler to stay sitting in there. But they don't have many options. They do have also the utility carts that you can use for postpartum or to kind of help out for like for the diapers station as well. So they have like they're mostly like $30, but these ones are $35. And this one is specifically on sale, and I'm not sure why. But yeah, and the black one, huh? It has like an IKEA family price for $20 and then regular price $40. I'm not sure what IKEA family is, but yeah. And they have these ones that are smaller for $27.99.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. We're soaring on top of the world.
So we're done with our shopping at IKEA. As you can see, they have some options, not like many options. I'll say that the best options are probably those storage cabinets if you need those, or the dressers. I like those options, but I'm not sure about the price because you probably on a furniture store find dressers like close to those prices. So we're probably gonna keep looking around and compare and see what we can find for the nursery. And I didn't like the cribs. They don't have like as many options. They do have a lot of like changing tables options that look like pretty good. But yeah, you can find like the sheets for the mattress and like toys and things like for decorations like a mirror, or if you would like to add like pictures in the room, they do have pretty good options. So yeah, we were able to find that storage cabinet that we were looking for. So we're happy about that. That will give us a pretty good start with the nursery room because we have to organize everything we have there because that was supposed to be an office for me. And yeah, we will see how that goes. And probably I'll take you through the journey and see how the nursery is gonna turn out to be. But if you made it till the final of the video, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow me on my socials so we can keep in contact with each other. And remember to do everything with love. With love, yeah.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.